Question: limit extending to infinity pi by 2 minus tan inverse x whole to the power of x 1 upon x, sorry, 1 upon x, 1 upon x. That means tan inverse pi by 2, tan inverse infinity, sorry, tan inverse not pi by 2 but infinity, tan inverse infinity is nothing but pi by 2. So it is basically, this is rough, let me rub it now. This is nothing but 0 to the power of 0. So what you do is that e to the power of, don't use e to the power of limit x infinity, then you use this gx and fx minus 1 formula here. This is only valid for 1 to the power of infinity. Don't use it here. यहाँ पे use नहीं करना इसको. gx fx minus 1. This is only valid for 1 to the power of infinity. सिर्फ valid वहीं पे होता है. So rub it. Not needed. I just told you this. So now this is e limit x to the power of infinity. Then this is 1 upon x log pi by 2. You first write this, otherwise I am skipping one step actually. Pi by 2 minus x, minus tan inverse x, tan inverse x to the power of 1 upon x. This becomes limit extending to infinity log pi by 2 minus tan inverse x into 1 by x. This becomes 0 into infinity form. So what you do is that limit extending to infinity log pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. Let me write the x like this. That's why this 0 has come and this infinity has come, because log 0, from log 0 it is infinity. And this is 0. Wait a minute. This is x. This is x. Now upon x. Now it is infinity by infinity form. Now you can use your L'Hopital rule. Limit extending to infinity 1 upon pi minus tan inverse x, and then chain rule into minus 1 upon 1 plus x square by 1. Now you rewrite and rearrange everything. Now this becomes e limit extending to infinity 1 upon pi minus tan inverse x, minus you take out, into 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is x square. Now if you put infinity, this becomes infinity into 0 form. This will become pi by 2, sorry. This is pi by 2. No, by mistake I wrote it pi. Now this is infinity into 0 form. Now you need to convert it into proper format. Now do one thing. E to the power of minus limit extending to infinity 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now do one thing. This one you now this is yes, you write this as this as pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. No problem. This can be written like this, because why? Look, this format is same as this format. Why? This is like 1 upon a by b by 1. This is basically b, this is a, this whole stuff is a, this whole stuff is a. Wait a minute. This whole stuff, ये पूरा a की तरह काम कर रहा है. ये this is whole like a, and this is like b. 1 upon ab is nothing but 1 upon a into b. This 1 upon ab has written like this. No problem. Now this format is put infinity. This is 0. This is now what? This is 1 upon infinity. This is 0 and this is 0. This is now 0 by 0 form. Now this has converted to 0 by 0 form. Look, because of this concept, a into b, it is a into b. Now this is basically this is your a, this is your b. So 1 upon a, 1 upon b can be written as 1 upon b by 1, and that is nothing but 1 upon a into 1 upon b. That is nothing but 1a into b. That what it is. This is your b and this is your a. This has been written like this. Now let me rub all this, otherwise you will get confused. This a and b's and all that. Let me rub all this now. Let me rub all this. Now you see. Now you do you use L'Hopital rule. Again use L'Hopital rule. Minus limit x tending to infinity. Now this will become, let me take some space now. Let me take some space. Let me rewrite it again. E minus limit x tending to infinity. This will be minus 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square into 2x upon your minus 1 upon 1 plus x square, because tan inverse x, because this will become 0 and this, the differentiation of this is 1 upon x square. This 1 upon x square will cancel with 1 of the 1 upon x square. So this will become e to the power of minus limit x tending to infinity. This will become 2x upon 1 plus x square. Any problem in this? Because this whole 1 plus x square will cut with 1 this. So this will be left. Here रह जाएगा. 1 upon 1 plus x square will cut with 1 upon 1 plus x square. 1, this will cancel. You do it. Look, I am doing it for you here. 1 plus 1 upon x square whole square upon 1 plus x square. Now this can be written as 1 upon 1 plus x whole square into 1 plus x square upon 1. This will cancel with this power. So this will be left. Now take the limit. Take the limit. It will be e to the power of 0. So that is nothing but 1. Now we will do one more question like this. Something like this. See, the question is a good one. Question is a limit x tending to infinity 1 plus 3 by x to the power of x. Now this is behaving like 1 to the power of infinity. So here now you can see I can use limit x tending to infinity gx fx minus 1, because this is fx, this is your gx, minus 1, and this is nothing but e limit x tending to infinity, 1 and 1 cancels out, x into 3x. Now this x and x cancels out. This is e cube. This is your e cube. And by the way, let me tell you one thing. There is a formula, and keep this thing in your mind always. Limit x tending to infinity 1 plus a by x to the power of x. This always gives e to the power of a, where a belongs to real line. Keep this thing. ये चाहे a कुछ भी हो, positive, negative कुछ भी हो. Suppose I give you like this, one question like this. See, I'll give you one question like this. See, limit x tending to infinity 1 plus 7 upon x to the power of x. It is nothing but e to the power of 7. Let's take another example. Limit x tending to infinity 1 minus under root of pi by x whole to the power of x. Do one thing. You write this as, wait a minute. Write this as limit x tending to infinity. You write 1 plus minus under root pi. This is pi within bracket x to the power of x. So this becomes e to the power of minus under root of pi.